Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again here to Coco, Lencho, Japan. Like the name says, Japan. However, right now we are about to embark into a long trip, Miwa, Japan, all the way to Guadalajara, Mexico for my niece's wedding, and we're going to make a little stop at Baja California. So I just figured I'd kind of bring you along with a short little clips all the way until we make it there and possibly back. So please stay tuned, and hopefully you enjoy the trip. Thanks.
I guess they go through like a whole routine when they switch over. They like saluted each other and then a couple of hand signals and stuff. They got those checks. Yeah, I got this, I got that.
There is a gap between the train and the platform. Please watch your step when exiting the train.
Erika has been waiting for us for over an hour because we took the local train, so she's quite aggravated at us fourth lane. All right, let's go through. So we are in Yokosuka. Why don't you just call her instead of going back and forth texting? Sometimes it is so frustrating. There she is. There she is right there. The look on her face. Hi! Hi! Come here! Oh my God! There's one. And then there's the other one. Hi! I miss you. Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Yeah. Your mom.
Let me stay on this train. 48 stops.
48 stops.
Because when the train came in, I asked how we get off. I'm like, okay, we just get off. You're Japanese. You know how the trains work.
Can I hold it?
She's over here having a mental breakdown. I can't stand any longer.
Well, you two not being very well behaved.
Why you can't stand it? We've been waiting for you for like an hour and a half.
We took the slowest train.
We did take the slowest train.
Like a slowest train.
The slowest train. I don't know. I just got on the train that Mama Coco told me to get on.
What?
I'm just a little Mexican country boy. I don't know nothing about trains in Japan. You want to take a video?
Hi guys, this is my bike and I'm riding with it. That's an ocean over there. What do you think I'm gonna say?
I don't know. What are you gonna say?
And do you see my sister over there? She's riding her bike too. Majo's driving the bike. But we always go to kindergarten, but it's over.
You went to kindergarten, so it's over,
And we have our new house.
New house.
And we have Papa visiting on us.
And Papa's visiting you, that's right.
And Mama Coco.
And Mama Coco.
back there, all the way back there. It's looping, all the way it's coming around.
Folks, this is madness. Hot Choco. Welcome back to the United States. We'll be only spending one night here. Get some rest and on to Guadalajara.
US passport, they line up all the way back there.
Well, we were lined up all over there too.
Yeah, but they have other place to get in.
Well, still gotta make it through this. Good thing we don't have a connecting flight today. All right, lesson learned, folks. Just because you book a hotel with the Hilton and they say a shuttle is available, not necessarily. So we were downstairs waiting for the shuttle. Yeah, I only waited for about 5 minutes maybe, and then I thought to myself, well, let me just call. And I called, and then they're going to call a Uber for us and send it to us. But yeah, just lesson learned. Don't just sit around and expect that you're going to get a shuttle because the hotel says free shuttle available.
Damas y caballeros, grupo número 5, group 5, you're welcome to board, grupo 5.
The radio broke on the plane. We've been sitting here, we're about to leave. And we came back around and we're still waiting. The technician has not showed up. Let's see how long it takes. Well, it looks like the technician showed up.
Now we just got to get the paperwork done. In about 10 to 15 minutes we should be on our way. Thank you.